Hello my Virgos, I'm Vera Lynn and this is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. Today I'm going to be doing your daily reading for August 11th, 2018. Now there are some energies going on for that, but before I dive into what's going on for the 11th, I just want to say I still am offering those free readings, okay? Anybody who subscribes to my channel and shares one of my videos gets a chance for a free reading. I'm picking one lucky winner every day for a free email reading, okay? I love getting in contact with you guys. And also, if you would like a private reading, go ahead and email me and ask for one, okay? We'll set up something. Facebook, over the phone, a pre-recorded email, whatever you guys like. Okay, so I just want to start off before I really dive into this that I hope you guys are taking that time to meditate. Have you taken your vacation yet? Are you eating right? Have you stopped worrying about all the little details? If you haven't, you are probably at high anxiety right now, okay? Maybe slipping back into a depression, all right? Losing sleep. Stop, okay? Your planet, and also mine, my ruling planet is Mercury too as well, is in retrograde along with a whole bunch of other planets, okay? So you really need to stop nitpicking and stop worrying, okay? Whether it's about your career, marriage, your house is a mess, stop. This is a time of year where you need to heal. Okay, Virgos are very giving. We give our spirit out. We just try to do everything for everybody. And this is the time of year where it's, no, I'm sorry, I need to get my full sleep. Or no, I'm sorry, I would like to help you, but I'm kind of at my limit and I need to just sit down, okay? Get your meditation back on schedule, okay? Start eating better for yourself. Did you, like, is there something going around your town? Like, is there a festival or something that you want to go see? Go see it. Take that time. Summer's not going to be around for too much longer, and you have to make sure that you're taking time for yourself. Okay? All right. So, August 11th, 2018. You want to know what's going on for the day? If you haven't already heard, there is a solar eclipse. Okay, guys? Yes, another solar eclipse. If you haven't watched your monthly video for August, you might want to go ahead and do that because there's a lot of energies going all over the place. But that solar eclipse that happens on the 11th is in Leo, okay? Solar eclipses are more about outward expression, being social, okay? Your outward spirit. Lunar, okay, lunar experiences, lunar eclipses, they're all about inward. You can see that little leaf there that's caught in a cobweb. They're all about inward expression, okay? Your emotions, what makes you you, okay? So for the solar eclipse in Leo, nevertheless, okay, Leo's very dramatic, social, okay, loving, romantic. Okay, a solar eclipse, solar, social, okay? In Leo, this is going to bring some new opportunity. You might just want to go out and just start talking to people that day. Maybe you might find yourself, you know, going out to eat or, you know, going out on a walk or, you know, finding yourself on a date. Everybody else is experiencing this energy too as well. If you're a parent, I highly suggest that you engage with your child during this day. Also, if you're, you know, married, this is both of you guys are going to have that passion and that outward expression. So this is a great day to really just converse with everybody, okay? Or are there some relationships that need mending? Maybe you need to call up that old friend and say, hey. All right, so that solar eclipse that's going on in Leo, August 11th. I am shuffling the cards. Let's see what goes on for the day. All right. I think I said my whole spiel about the readings. Anybody who subscribes and shares gets a chance for a free reading. I'm doing them every day. I love getting in contact with you guys. So these readings can be kind of vague. So the one-on-one, it's really personal, and I love it. If you would like a private reading, go ahead and email me. You know what to do. All right. All right, so we have the Queen of Cups. Whew, and that is that solar eclipse, okay? The Queen of Cups, the cups represent emotions, love, okay? And with the Queen of Cups, you're going to have that power to express it. Now, isn't that nice? I feel for some of you guys that are just having that rough marriage, you might just kind of see like the light at the end of the tunnel that day. You know, I don't know, if it's a toxic ex, you could definitely see the end of it. But if it's just those little things, you just lost that spark, you know, you might see that flame really come back that day. I suggest you go on a date. Hey, why not? All right. Venus is in Libra during this time, so you're just, you know, you're having that balance too in your love life. So use it to your advantage. But like I said, guys, please make sure you're taking that time to meditate and recharge your batteries, okay? Virgos are healers, so this is your time of the year, okay, where you need to really take a step back. You know, if anybody who just needs favors from you, say, sorry, not right now. It's not really the time. Also, with the retrogrades, I don't know if you guys have had things, you know, breaking on you or whatever. Your car broke down or your refrigerator doesn't work. My dryer broke. I've had some problems in my studio regarding water leakage. My check engine light came on my car. So I myself am taking that step back. Like I might have said earlier, some of you guys who have been subscribed to me and seen that I haven't been doing any videos, because I personally have needed my own energy, okay? This retrograde has been a lot on me too. So, you know, I have just been taking that step back, getting back into my meditation. I also have been taking new spirit courses because I want to make sure that my readings and my messages to you guys are just as best as they can be. And also, you know, I just love learning, as you should too. You never stop learning. You know, maybe you guys need to learn more about your chakras, or grounding, drinking fresh water, or learning about the 4th and 5th dimension, whatever it is. Maybe you guys start to need to branch out your education as to what really attracts you spiritually. Why not? Nothing bad can come of it. Maybe that's what you're here for today. That's what you needed to hear. You need to start doing some more spirit courses online. Do some spirit healing, as I really think during this retrograde you need to do. You know, and that social, you know, flare that we'll see on the 11th, you know, going out there and networking and finding people that are interested in the same things you are does actually heal us in a certain way. Maybe you need to go out there and get some Reiki healing. Maybe you need to get a one-on-one reading or some crystal healing, whatever it is. You know, get a massage, a spa day. So maybe that's what that is, that energy, that solar energy, that need to get out there and talk to people and express yourself outwardly. Maybe that's what you need to do. Take advantage of it. Once you've done your social thing, you've mingled, go home, take a salt bath, okay? Rest up. Make sure you get 8 hours of sleep at least after that social outing, okay? So I don't want to see your batteries just on empty. It doesn't feel good doing any type of work on an empty battery. Whoa. All right, we have the 6 of Swords. Ooh, that's that anxiety. Ooh, you still just have so much to do, so much work to get done, so many places to go. That's that energy hanging around. Knock it off. Straight up, knock it off, Virgo, okay? It'll get done. And if you don't see it getting done, ask for help. I know you guys are perfectionists and, you know, you got to get it done yourself because nobody else can do it as good as you. But, you know, whatever. Have somebody help you. Just because they can't do it perfectly or whatever. Just taking that stress off of your shoulders, whether it's, you know, asking your spouse to make dinner for the night or whatever it might be, you know. Just too much to do for work, ask for a coworker's help. You know, got a few questions, get them answered. Just stop stressing. That stress is just too much on our shoulders. It really is. You got to stop stressing and sweating the small stuff. All right? You're of good health. So just really, just be thankful. Okay? I had something I thought wanted to fly out at me. No? All right. So let's see here. August 11th, 2018. All right. So we're still with that energy. You know, we feel very blinded to what it is that's coming. You're not sure where you're going with your career, the direction maybe that your relationship is headed. You have your guard up and you can't see where you're going. So that has you at stress. And I feel like a lot of you Virgos are extremely high stress levels right now. And no offense, but it's your fault. You gotta take that time for yourself. You gotta heal yourself. You gotta take deep breaths, okay? Start drinking more water, because if you don't, you're just gonna continue to have your guard up, to have that blindfold on, and just not even see where you're going. Look, your environment isn't even that bad. You can see from the photo, it isn't bad. It isn't disastrous. There's water, there's mountains, and you have a flat foundation you are standing on, but yet you're still blindfolded. You still have your guard up. Why? Knock it off. All right, so I feel also for the day, we have justice that popped out too as well. You guys are going to find some balance in your life. Bring that balance in, okay? This could also, maybe you need to hone in Venus being in Libra too, as well, okay? Justice represents Libra, so maybe that's the energy that you really need to hone in, which is balance. You guys need to stop stressing. You need to start relaxing. You need to ground yourself. Find balance. Your job and all those errands will get done. Just stop stressing about it. There's no need for it. There's no need to stress out about it, okay? Seriously. What did I say to you guys before? There is nothing in life. Wait, I'm sorry, I'm starting it off wrong. There is a lot of things. There is a lot of things in life, Virgo, that are worth thinking about, okay? There is nothing in life worth worrying about. It's a very powerful statement, and you guys need to find that balance between having everything on your shoulders and really just letting loose. You need to find that middle ground. You need to enjoy yourself. You need to embrace it and just go out there and make sure you get in your vacation, okay? You deserve it. Go out there and just, whatever it is, it might be for a half a day, for a whole week. If you need a month, bless you, go ahead and take it, okay? But make sure that you really take time for yourself. And I'm really stressing that. I've said that so many times during this video because I could just feel the anxiety from all of you, okay? Some of you are managing it pretty well. Others are just freaking out. So please just take that time. If you need to reach out to me, you can leave a comment. I love replying to you guys. All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. You have a beautiful day.